Hello guys, I will share my solar energy storage. This is 8S LiPo battery, LiPo 4, cylindrical 32700, 85 EH, and this is 26650, lithium ion 7S 50 EH, and this is 21700, lithium ion 7S 76 EH. Not the same EH but the same voltage. It is for LiPo 4. The maximum voltage is at 29.2, and then this is 29.2 also, 7S and 29.2. And even though the EH is not the same, but I didn't find any failure or issue of this battery, because from time to time I'll check every voltage of every battery pack. The voltage is still the same, it's balanced. It's LiPo 4 battery, and the positive from multimeter is here, and this is the negative, and the total is 26.6 volts. And this for 21, this connection 21700, and the voltage is, I've already cut off the negative, 26.3, 26.60, 26.62, and 26.650, the voltage is 26.64. That means the charging is balanced. Solar charger, controller, and this is the battery monitor. 26 volts, 6 amp, in total of 183 watts charging. So guys, if you have any questions in regard to this setup, kindly please comment to the comment section box, and I will reply as early as my opportunity.